In a quiet village tucked between hills and rivers, lived a young man named Rami. He was smart, kind, and full of potential. Rami had one crippling flaw. He was incredibly lazy. Rami would sleep past noon, procrastinate on even the smallest of tasks, and dream big without ever taking a step forward. His father, once a respected farmer, would plead with him to help in the fields. But Rami always said, "Tomorrow, maybe tomorrow." One day, fed up with his son's idle lifestyle, Rami's father sent him to live with Master Elian. Master Elian is the village clockmaker man known for his precision, punctuality, and strict routine. "If anyone can teach you discipline, it's him," his father said. When Rami arrived, Master Elian didn't smile. He simply said, "You will work, eat, and sleep on time. No exceptions." Rami rolled his eyes. How hard could fixing clocks be? But he quickly learned that Master Elian's world ran like the gears inside a clock, unforgiving and exact. Every morning began at 5:00 a.m., not a second later. Meals were served precisely at 7, 0, 12, 0, and 7, 0 again. Every task had a time block. Every mistake had a consequence. At first, Rami struggled. He overslept. He broke a clock. He missed meals. But Elian was patient. "Discipline," he said, "is not a gift. It's a muscle. Weak now, but it grows with effort." That night, something changed in Rami. Rami stared at the clock's swinging pendulum and thought, "Time doesn't wait, so why should I?" The next morning, he got up with the chime. Slowly, he began mastering the routine. Weeks passed. Rami learned how each gear connected, how focus brought results, and how small efforts added up. Rami began keeping a disciplined diary. Every time he resisted the urge to procrastinate, he wrote it down. Every time he succeeded at a task, he rewarded himself with a short break. He followed a 5-step method Elian had whispered one evening. 1. Break the task into tiny steps. 2. Start with just 5 minutes. 3. Visualize the outcome. 4. Eliminate distraction. 5. Repeat, even when you don't feel like it. One day, Master Elian handed him a delicate antique clock. "This one's yours to fix, Rami, but it's not broken. It's unfinished. You'll have to create the missing parts." Rami worked for days, sketching, cutting, testing, no shortcuts, no excuses. When it finally ticked, Master Elian smiled and said, "Now you run like clockwork." Months later, Rami returned to his village not as a lazy boy, but as a man of discipline. He helped his father, started his own repair shop, and taught local kids how to build routines. People asked, "How did you change?" He would smile and say, "I didn't wait for motivation. I built momentum. Discipline wasn't in me. I built it one tick at a time."